Hello everyone, this is Preeti Mule, Associate Professor, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. Today we will be studying the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. For acidic buffers, the pH of acid buffer can be calculated from the dissociation constant Ka of the weak acid and the concentrations of the acid and salt used. The dissociation expression of the weak acid can be represented as Ha dissociates to give H plus A negative ion. Ka is equal to concentration of H plus ion into concentration of A negative ion divided by concentration of Ha, or concentration of H plus ion is equal to Ka into concentration of Ha divided by concentration of A negative ion. Concentration of H plus ion is equal to Ka into concentration of acid divided by concentration of salt. Taking log on both sides, we get log of concentration of H plus ion is equal to log of Ka plus log of concentration of acid divided by concentration of salt. Multiplying both sides by negative sign, we get negative log of H concentration of H plus ion is equal to negative log of Ka minus log of concentration of acid divided by concentration of salt, as negative log of concentration of H plus ion is equal to pH and negative log of Ka is equal to pKa, we get pH is equal to pKa minus negative log of concentration of acid divided by concentration of salt, or pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid. Equation 3 is called as the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. It helps in calculating the pH value of buffer solution if the concentrations of acid as well as that of the salt are known. For basic buffers, equation for basic buffer can be calculated in the same way as that for acidic buffers. Consider a basic buffer composed of a mixture of weak base BOH and its salt Ba. The dissociation constant for base can be written as BOH dissociates to give B plus ion plus OH negative ion. Kb is equal to concentration of B plus ion into concentration of OH negative ion divided by concentration of BOH, or concentration of OH negative ion is equal to Kb into concentration of BOH divided by concentration of B plus ion. A weak base is only slightly dissociated and its dissociation is further depressed by the addition of the salt Ba, which provides B plus ion, that is a common ion effect. As a result, the equilibrium concentration of the unionized base is nearly equal to the initial concentration of the base. The equilibrium concentration of B plus ion is assumed to be equal to the initial concentration of the salt added, since it is completely dissociated. Therefore, in the above equation, we represent concentration of B plus ion by the salt concentration. Now, concentration of OH negative ion is equal to Kb into concentration of base divided by concentration of salt. Taking log on both sides, we get log of concentration of OH negative ion is equal to log of Kb plus log of concentration of base divided by concentration of salt. Multiplying both sides by negative sign, we get negative log of OH negative ion is equal to negative log of Kb minus log of concentration of base divided by concentration of salt, as negative log of concentration of OH ion is equal to pH and negative log of Kb is equal to pKb, we get POH is equal to pKb minus log of concentration of base divided by concentration of salt, or POH is equal to pKb plus log of concentration of salt divided by concentration of base. Now, the significance of Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. By this equation, the pH of a buffer solution can be calculated from the initial concentrations of the acid and the salt provided when Ka is given. However, the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for a basic buffer will give pOH, and so pH can be calculated as pKw is equal to pH plus pOH, or pH is equal to pKw minus pOH, that is pH is equal to 14 minus pOH, as the value of pKw is 14. Also, the dissociation constant of a weak acid, that is pKa, or a weak base, that is pKb, can be calculated by measuring the pH of a buffer solution containing equimolar concentrations of the acid or the base and the salt. This was the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation and its significance. Thank you.